In today's video and podcast, I'm going to give you some helpful information and tips on how you can best read the Forex charts to help you to profit in your trading. Unfortunately, most people get this wrong. So listen up, it's going to be a good one. Hey there traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach for video and podcast number 556. Today I'm going to give you some helpful tips and information to help you to look at your charts to understand what it is that you're looking at, what time frame you're looking at, what pair you're looking at, what's happening in the market, the price, and which way it's likely to move to and why, and how you can profit from that. You see, when most people start trading, they jump on to their charts. The brokers are fantastic at offering you lots of indicators, lots of arrows, dots, lines, diamonds, stars, whatever it might be. And people get completely and utterly confused by that. They also get very excited by that as well. And I know when I started some 20 years ago, I did exactly the same. And look, I don't blame anybody for doing it. We all go through the same process. It's just that my aim as a coach is to help shortcut that for you and take away a lot of that time wasting and money losses and frustration that you'll inevitably have otherwise, because I've been there and done it. And I've taught thousands of people who have also been there and now are doing it. Now, the problem is when you put arrows and lines and indicators on your chart, it hides what's really happening in the market, and it takes your mindset away from what's really happening. How many of you never look at the price? I bet you're nodding and going, yep, Andrew, that's me. I never look at the price. Well, you should. You've got to look at the right-hand side axis on your charts and look at what's actually happening in the market right now, where the price of that currency or commodity, metal, whatever it is that you're trading is at right now. What is the actual price? And that level can be massively important to help you either to get into a trade and have some stop loss protection, or to get out of a trade, or to say, well, this is actually quite a nice setup, but the price is telling me this is not actually a good enough trade to justify placing money on. You've got to look at what's happened in the past with the price as well, and where, like, I use candle patterns to help determine what's happening in the market. Candles are fantastic because they're up-to-date information. They tell me what's happening right now. Are there more buyers in the market? Are there more sellers? Is there indecision? Has that candle pattern bounced at a level in the past, and what happened at that point? And are we getting a similar pattern right now at the same level? That's going to help me to determine if there's a good enough trade. However, you can't just say, look, every pin bar or engulfing bar is a new trade. You then need a lot more information than that. That's your starting point. Look at the price. Look at where it's bounced. Look at different currency pairs. What correlation are there between different pairs right now? What's determining strength and weakness? All those type of things need to come into your trading as well. And so when you have that in place, you then need even more information. You need to get the time frame chart that's giving you the best technical setup, or the candle is about to close that's giving you the best technical setup. You then also need to look at your price and what's happened in the past to determine, do you have room to move to your profit target? Do you have safety in your stop loss? Do you have a round number to protect the stop loss? All these things come into play with giving you a higher quality trade setup, and that's really important. And that's what we help teach our clients. Now, just today, I've taken 10 trades on the daily charts. They've all been posted on our membership site. That's a lot of trades. We don't normally have 10, but today we've got 10. Why? Because that's what the market's giving us. And so our clients can earn and learn from those trades. You can see the trade setups in real time. You can profit from them. Hopefully we get the majority of those right with the reward to risk that we have and the low risk per trade. We're likely to come out on the right side of most of those trades and do very well from those. And so that's what we do. We publish trades each day on the daily charts, beginning of each week on the weekly charts, beginning of each month on the monthly charts, and then on our forum site in between the days we have shorter time frame charts. Today I publish an 8 and 6 and 12-hour chart trade as well. So lots and lots of trades for our clients to follow from, earn from, and learn from, and understand what's happening in the market and why. Now, on top of that, if you're out there looking for a good broker, I can highly recommend Blueberry Markets. I'll put a link to them as well here on this post and video. And if you've not been on my masterclass yet, I encourage you to do that. It's about 17 minutes long. It's a pre-recorded, on-demand video. It gives you a lot of information about how we trade, how we teach, and how we can help you. And if you'd like to book a call with myself or one of my team, I'll put a link to that as well. So you can book up a 30-minute free consultation call, give you an idea of how we trade and what we're doing and if we can help you or not. So have a look out for that as well. Any updates you'd like, any future topics, videos, let me know and I can help you out with those. So keep a lookout for the price action, candle patterns, where they occur on your charts. Has your trade got room to move to your profit target? Do you have some stop loss protection? Is there correlation between the pair you're trading and other, let's say, if you're saying taking a buy trade on the Euro New Zealand, is the Euro looking strong against other pairs as well? Is the New Zealand looking weak against other pairs as well? And you put that together, you get yourself a high quality trade setup and likely profit. I'll see you this time next week. This is Andrew Mitchem at the Forex Trading Coach. Bye for now.